she double C's with a cash pack. She living in the best life, people Snapchat. I know she pressure, I gotta get it, I'm like that. I be a hustle, she be my book, I'm a wife dad. But she missing the penny.
Alright, you guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the unboxing of the LUVME hair. So my sister paid for this. I'm just doing the unboxing for her, and inside they give you so many goodies, you guys. Like, look at all the stuff that they give you. It felt like a Christmas present, but she only paid $130. I'll put like all the specs and information you need to know below at the bottom, but just they give you this beautiful clip, some really nice looking lashes, and yeah, they just hook y'all up. Okay, like, I have not seen a company give so much stuff. It was not overwhelming in a bad way, but overwhelming like, oh my gosh, like, girl, they hooked you up, you know. So they do give you some wig caps, so we did not use those. This is the wig, and it is really constructed beautifully. The wig is pretty thick. Like I said, I didn't buy this wig, so I don't know the specs or information. I'll be sure to leave that below or have it pop here on the screen. But yeah, you guys, and I'm just showing you the lace in the front, which I didn't plug for my sister's hairline, but this is the wig, and let's get started. So I'm just getting the wig to, you know, fit on her noggin, because she got a noggin, and I'm just cutting the lace so that, you know, of course, y'all know why you have to cut the lace, okay? You're not gonna walk outside with your lace just looking like that. But I like to cut it very jagged. That's why I like to use an eyebrow razor, because cutting it straight could give, it's like kind of hard to mask when you want to lay it. So I just prefer not to cut it straight. If you cut it straight, that's okay. That's on you. It's not a problem. So yeah, just getting that lace cut, and snipped. And then I'm going in with this hot comb. Y'all, if you do not have a hot comb and you had not invested in a hot comb, please invest in a hot comb. Hot combs are like, they will make or break your wig. I'm telling you. Well, they will make your wig. Let me not say break. They just get it to lay so good. It just steps up your wig game tremendously, y'all. Invest in one. Mine was only $20 at Walmart. Next, I'm going in with the Ghost Bond glue. Not a big fan of it, but that's the only thing I had on hand. And I'm just applying one layer. You'll see me throughout the video just apply one layer. This wig was not meant to last long term, so I just applied one layer so that once it came off, it wouldn't be a hassle for her to get it off, since this is her first time getting it glued down like this. And I'm just drying this with my blow dryer until it becomes tacky and clear, or as clear as you can get it. Sometimes I notice with this glue, even when I apply it thin, the residue is still showing, so that could be annoying. But then I'm going to start by pulling down her wig to fit. I feel like doing it in sections, especially if you're just starting doing your wigs, will make it so much easier for you to lay it down, because trying to put the glue all over your head and then glue it down at once is really hard. So do it in sections, you guys. Like, just take your time, especially if you're doing your own hair. You're going to run into ups and downs, because gluing on your own wig is not always easy. And just take your time, and I'm just, you know, spreading it out a little bit, avoiding her edges, because we did not do the wig cap method. You do not have to wear a wig cap or do the wig cap method to get a laid wig, you guys. I just want to throw that out there. When I first started doing the wig cap method, yeah, pulled out my edges. I'm just doing the same thing I did on all 3 sections of her hair. Gluing, spreading, drying, and laying in that order. And these, I know you guys can see the blonde tips, is because I bleached her knots. So that's going to get fixed. Don't worry about it. So next I'm going in with my Got To Be spray, and I'm just spraying down her perimeter. This just gets the wig to lay down even better. Like, it just melts the lace into your scalp. Like, after I did that, she really did not need baby hair at all. And as you see, again, I'm just going through and I am combing out and laying down her wig. Now, this wig I personally would not order. There was just things throughout the process that I just didn't really like when I bleached the knots, the wig got tangly, which is why like laying this down and combing it out on this part was really hard. I actually cut out a lot of footage where I was like detangling the wig, and it was just so hard to get the comb through. Like it was just, well, not the comb, the brush. Keep laying your closure down, even if you feel like, okay, this is too much, just keep laying because it can bulk back up. And I'm just using some spray to like lay down the flyaways and anything that needs to be laid down. Here I'm showing you my black mascara, and that's what I'm using to mask those little bleach spots on her hair from me bleaching the knots. You could always go in with like a box dye or whatever your preference is too. I just like to use mascara because it's right there and it's on hand. Yeah, y'all, like throughout this video a lot, I kept using that hot comb because that hair just kept bulking up. Like, I don't know. You just see me here going in, you know, masking some more of that blondness, and you see it takes it all away. Like, look how good it looks. Now I'm just going in with my eyebrow razor. I could have used my shears that I had, I don't know why, but I'm just cutting like just some layers in the front so that her hair looks like frames her face. I know that my sister is very particular about how hair lays in her face and how it looks and how it, all that extra stuff. So I just wanted to make sure to give her layers so that her face is framed and looking good. Hear her little ugly ass on the phone, as per usual. Love you, sister. Just want to go in, add some layers, and then I'm just adding some makeup to her part so that her part doesn't look party or just doesn't look right, you know. And I took off the scarf, and look at that, you guys. No baby hair, none of that. Looking good, okay. And I just added some makeup after I took off that scarf just to get rid of any residue that may have been left behind from the glue and the spray. And y'all guessed it, going back in with that hot comb. Yeah, I just had to, like, this wig, you got to. It is very bulky. It's good that it's so much hair on it, but yeah, when it comes to laying, you're going to really need a hot comb or some tool to really lay it, because yeah, that is no joke. So for my beginners out there, please invest in a hot comb, only $20. I prefer the electric hot combs over the stove ones because those ones can get too hot, and this one is easier to control. See, I'm just going through, and now I'm just cutting off those little sideburn pieces. I didn't glue down the tabs on her sides because just in case she wanted to take this wig off, I wanted to make it even easier for her to just be able to add some alcohol or whatever to the glue and take it off. So now we got a clothes change, and you see I am styling this wig. I just went in, honestly, combed it out, did some pressing on it to straighten it, and did some messy curls. The curls, there was no organization in these whatsoever at all, and they were going to be more formal, cute looking curls, but they just did not turn out right because of the type of idea and styles that she wanted and the one that I was going for. So what I did after I was doing all the curling was I just end up, as you see here, like brushing it out, then going in to like some little small straight pieces, adding some little tiny curls, messing it up, just playing with it, and it came out really, really good though, you guys. So I'm proud of the end product, and my sister was too. She was feeling herself, like, phew. Look at that. Bomb.com. That's what I'm talking about, sissy poo. Yes. She looks so cute. I did her makeup and stuff off camera, but this is just her wig in natural lighting. No baby hairs. None needed at all. You look so good, sis. I was so happy to do this wig for her. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. As usual, please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join Lexi Mob Squad. And I'll see you in my next video.
I say